Good morning! Are you ready to study? Let's go! Today, we are going to study about letter E. Everybody say letter E. The sound of the letter E is E, 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 E. Very good. Now, let us hear a song. Let us hear a song about letter E. Are you ready? Now, read and sing with me.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
One more time.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
Okay, very good. Now, let us know the different vocabularies for today. Ready? Okay, please read after me. Everybody say egg, 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 egg. This is an egg. It starts with letter E. E, e, egg, egg. Very good. We eat eggs. We eat eggs or boiled eggs, fried eggs. Do you like to eat eggs? Me too. Next, we have elephant. Elephant. Very good. This one is an elephant. Elephants are big and they are friendly. Elephant. Very good. Next is we have 11. 11. Can you follow? Great. 11. This is a number 11. It comes after number 10. 11. Very good. So as you can see, we have 11 balloons. Now, let us go to our exercises. So we have here match the picture. Match the picture. What you are going to do is you just have to match the picture to the words. Now kids, first, before we begin, can you say it one more time? Repeat after me. 11. Egg. Elephant. Very good. Now, let us match the picture to its words. First picture we have 11. 11. Which word is 11? Egg, elephant, 11. Good job! 11. Next, we have egg. Egg. Which word is egg? Egg, elephant. Can you point your finger? Good job! Good job, kids! Next, the last one we have elephant. Elephant. Which word do you think is the elephant? Do you know? Point your finger. Very good, elephant. Good job, kids. Now, these are the things that starts with letter E. E, F, E, E, E. 11, 11. Egg, egg. Elephant, elephant. Very good. Letter E. Good job, kids. So, see you again next time. Goodbye.